Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on PUBG. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG mobile game on your device, and after opening up the game, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your Facebook account or your Google ID. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start playing your game. Now, if you wish to block someone from your friend list within the game, then tap on your friends icon at the top left corner. This will now open up your friends menu, which will show all of the friends that you have added onto your friend list. If you wish to block someone, simply tap on their user ID and you will be taken into their info page. Now tap on the friend icon at the bottom section. Now once you can access their profile, go ahead and tap on the status bar at the top right corner and then tap on basic info. And now you will see the report as well as the block option. Tap on the block menu. And now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this user. Tap on the OK button to confirm. And now this player will be blocked from your account right away. And if you wish to unblock this user from your home page, within the Friends menu, click on the three dots at the top right and then click on Block List. From here you can unblock this user by clicking on the Unblock option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block someone on your PUBG mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.